Welcome. In front of me is a UMIDIGI S3 Pro, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to start off, you will want to open up the standalone contacts app, which for me is right over here, as you can see. So let's open that up, and you can see that there's already a bunch of contacts, but right now all those contacts are located on the SIM card, which you can gather by the fact that they have this tiny little SIM icon with the number 2. That's because the SIM card is on a slot 2. So to actually move those contacts to your phone, what you want to do is tap on the 3 bars and then go into settings, where you will find the import option. So let's allow that, and when you tap on it, it gives you a bunch of different options where you can import it from. So you have copy contacts from phone, SIM, internal, shared storage, or SD card. Now right now my contacts are on the SIM card, but if your contacts are located located anywhere else, simply choose that other option. Once you select it, let's tap on next and then copy contacts to. Now for me there is only one option, but for instance if you are logged into your Google account, Google account will be one of the options where you can import the contacts to. So I'm going to stick with, well, this because I have no other option. And once I tap on next, you can see that I have basically all the contacts right here. So I can select all the contacts right over here, or at least the ones that I want. And once they are all selected, tap on OK, and this will import all the contacts. So now they should be duplicating because, well, they are on the SIM card and also on the phone, so you can distinguish which ones are where based on the SIM icon. And if I were to, for instance, remove a SIM card right now, part of them will disappear and only the ones that are on the phone itself will stay, as you can see. So that being said, this is basically how you would import contacts, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.